Right on that green line. Right on that green line.
Let's take it the whole way over.
Where do you want it?
The point of this
Yeah.
is to latch the door
Okay, we got you.
and
Alright, watch out. So you want it where?
yeah, the point of that is to be able to latch it. See, we're still taking it.
Right there?
Yeah.
Alright, get on the other side.
Mark it with a rusty nail.
I don't care what you want.
I don't know how well that marked. I mean, if it's off a little bit, it can solve it. Because we have some give if it's a little too short just to move it over on here. Well, you need two the same size. You know what? What is this? Hold on.
I don't know.
That looks about 16, don't it? Move, move.
He's staying there because Rue's right there.
Hi, Rue. Oh, come here. See, look how gentle he is with this little thing. He's such a good boy. He loves his mama. My good Rue. Go ahead, honey boy. Because he could hurt me bad when I pick him up. Oh, don't get me on video. Sorry.
I was going over here. There.
Why does it restart when you get it without the clock?